నేను మాత్రం మా ఇద్దరు పిల్లల్ని క్వాలిటీ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ అందించే ఉల్లంపర్రు మాంటిసోరీ స్కూల్లో మాత్రమే చదివిస్తాను. ఇలా అన్నీ ఉన్న చోట మన పిల్లల్ని చదివిస్తేనే వాళ్ళకి మంచి భవిష్యత్తు ఉంటుంది.
నాకు అన్ని నెంబర్ 1 కావాలి. అందుకే నా పెద్ద మనవరాల్ని అన్ని వసతులతో క్వాలిటీ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ అందిస్తున్న స్కూల్లోనే జాయిన్ చేశాను.
ఏ స్కూల్ సార్ అది?
ఉల్లంపర్రు మాంటిసరీ స్కూల్. క్వాలిటీ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ లో నెంబర్ 1, కల్చరల్ యాక్టివిటీస్ లో నెంబర్ 1, స్పోర్ట్స్ లో నెంబర్ 1, క్యాంపస్ లో నెంబర్ 1.
అది
మీ పిల్లల బంగారు భవిష్యత్తుకు మాది బాధ్యత.
Hi everyone, this is Kishore Kumar, English faculty from Montessori School, Ullamparru. Today I want to discuss the topic is kinds of adverbs. First of all, what is an adverb? An adverb is a word which tells more about a verb, means actions, adjective or another adverb. Okay, once again I am telling what is the definition of adverb. So here an adverb is a word that tells us more about a verb, an adjective or another adverb. So it gives more information about verb. Here verb means actions. Means how the action takes place or where the action takes place, when the action takes place. And also it gives more information about adjective. And also it gives more information about another adverb itself. It gives information itself. So how we describe actions, adjective, another adverb. Here some examples are there. I will show you how there are more about the words. So first one, here it tells more about the verb. Here verb means action. Action. So here the bus moved slowly. Here what is the action in the sentence? Okay, moved is an action. Okay, here what is the action? Moved is an action. Means how the bus moved one place to another place. So here how the bus moved? Slowly. How the bus moved? Slowly. Here slowly is an adverb. So the word slowly tells more about the word moved. So moved is an action. So here it tells how the bus moved. Slowly. If you ask the question using how, you are getting answer slowly. So how the bus moved? The bus moved slowly. So I will give another example. So the children played happily. The children played happily. So here what is the action in the sentence? Played is an action. So how they are playing? How did they play? They played happily. So here happily is an adverb. So here the word happily describes the action played. How did the children play? The children played happily. So in this way we are describing actions. Next one, adjective. What is an adjective? You know, adjective is a describing word. It describes nouns and pronouns. So here, see the example. You look absolutely beautiful. So here, the word beautiful is an adjective. Okay, here ADJ means short form of adjective. So here, the word beautiful is an adjective in the sentence. So you look beautiful. Who looks beautiful? You. It is a pronoun. So in the previous class I explained what is pronoun, what is an adjective. Adjective describing nouns and pronouns. So here you is pronoun. Okay, the word beautiful describes you. How you look? You look beautiful. So here beautiful is an adjective. So now what is the adverb here? Adverb describing or tells more about adjectives also. So in this sentence beautiful is an adjective. So here absolutely is an adverb. Why? Because okay, the word absolutely tell more about the word beautiful here. So in this way we tell more about the adjectives here in the sentence. Okay, another example here. The rose is a very beautiful flower. So here the rose is a noun. The rose is a noun. How is the rose? How is the rose flower? It is a beautiful flower. It is a beautiful flower. So here the word very is an adverb. Okay, the word very describes or gives more information about the word beautiful. So here this is adjective. Okay, this is an adverb. This is an adverb. So in this way we describe adjectives or we give more information about adjectives. In this way we have to describe actions and adjectives. Now another adverb. Okay, it tells more about another adverb. So how it gives more information about adverb? Adverb only describing word. Again, how do we describe adverbs? Here I will show you the examples. So here PT Usha runs extremely fast. So adverb means I told it describes actions. So here PT Usha is a subject. Okay, how she runs? How does she run? Fast. How does she run? Fast. How fast he runs? How fast he runs? Extremely fast. Extremely fast. So here there are two adverbs in this sentence. So first one, it is an adverb, fast. How does PT Usha run? PT Usha runs fast. How fast she runs? Extremely fast. Extremely fast. Okay, this is also adverb. So the word extremely tells more about another adverb here, fast. So in this way we are describing another adverb in a sentence. I will show you another example also. For example, the bus moved very slowly. How did the bus move? Slowly. Okay, slowly is adverb. Why? Because it is describing action. How the bus moved. So here very also there, another word. So here this is also adverb. This is also adverb. Why? Because it is describing again the word slowly here. How slowly the bus moved here? Very slowly. So the word very is another adverb. So here in this way we are describing or tell more about a verb, adjective or another adverb. So understand all of you these three examples. What is an adverb? Adverb is a word that tells more about a verb means actions, an adjective or another adverb. In this way we tell more about verbs, adjective and another adverb in the sentence. Okay, this is the definition of adverb. Now we are going to learn about kinds of adverbs. Okay, let us discuss about kinds of adverbs. Okay, what are the kinds of adverbs? Okay, mainly there are four kinds of adverbs are there. Mainly, okay, generally or mainly there are four kinds of adverbs are there. First one, adverb of manner. Second one, adverb of time. And third one, adverb of place. And fourth one, adverb of frequency. Okay, these four are important for your standard. Okay, first one, adverb of manner. So manner tells how. Okay, here adverb of manner tells the action, how the action takes place. For example, I gave example. How did the children play? The children played happily. The bus moved slowly. Like I gave some examples. So here words like happily, slowly tells us how the action takes place. Tells us how the action takes place. So I will give some examples like here. Here are some examples. Tell about adverb of manner. The cat ate the cake quickly. Okay, here what I am telling, adverb of manner tells us how the action takes place. So here the question word how we are using. If you ask the question using the word how, we can say adverb of manner, how the action takes place. For example, how did the cat eat the cake quickly? You are getting answer quickly. In the same way, how did I drink the milk? Slowly. And how did the boy walk? Fast. So here words like quickly, slowly, fast, beautifully, slowly. Okay. In this way we can express adverb of manner. So simply how the action take place. Okay, adverb of manner means how the action take place. So we can express, for example, words like quickly, slowly, fast, and beautifully, happily, sadly. Okay, these words are called adverb of manner. Remember, most of the adverb of manner formed by adjectives only. Okay, if you are adding by adding ly to the adjective, it becomes adverbs. So, for example, see here, quick, beautiful, beautifully, slow, slowly. So here, these are adjectives. These are adjectives. These are adverbs. These are adverbs. Okay, what I'm telling here, most of the adverb of manner formed by adjectives. Yeah, by adding ly to the adjective, okay, it becomes a adverb. For example, see, quick is an adjective here. You are adding ly to the word quick. It changes into quickly. So it is an adverb. So adjective, it is describing nouns and pronouns. Adverbs describing actions. So beautiful is an adjective. You are adding ly to the word beautiful. It changes into beautifully. It is an adverb. The same way, slow, slowly. Okay, sad, sadly, happy, happily. Like that, we can change the adjectives into adverb by adding the ly. Remember, all the adjectives by adding ly is not an adverb. Okay, some words are remaining same only. For example, see here, fast, fast, hard, fast, fast, hard, hard. So here, these are adjectives, these are adverbs. So both are same only, but how do you identify it is an adjective, it is an adverb? Okay, words are same, remain same. It is also adjective, it is also adverb. So here, how can you find out what is an adverb and what is the adjective? Okay, I will show you one example only. Okay, understand all of you? Okay, most of the adjective of adverbs of manner formed by adjectives by adding ly to the word adjective. So here, quick, quickly, beautiful, beautifully, slow, slowly. But here, it is remaining same. Why? I will show you example because it is also adverb. It is adjective. The adverb form also same only. Fast, fast. In the same way, hard, hard. Adjective, adverb. But how do you identify in the sentence? I will show you one example. How can we use? So first sentence is Usha runs fast. Second sentence is PT Usha is a fast runner. So in the first sentence I am using fast. Second sentence also using fast. But here both are different parts of speech. Both are different parts of speech. How can you recognize that? Okay, I am telling. Adjective is a describing word. It describes nouns and pronouns. Okay, understand all of you? What is an adjective? Adjective is a describing word. The adjective describes nouns and pronouns only. And adverb. What is an adverb? Describing actions simply. Describing action. Adverbs describe actions. Adjective describes nouns and pronouns. So here see. Okay, here the word fast. PT Usha runs fast here. PT Usha runs fast. So can you tell the word fast describing which word in the sentence? See second sentence. PT Usha is a fast runner. Here also I am using fast. Can you tell the word fast describing which word in the sentence? Very simple. Fast describing here this word because PT Usha runs fast. How does PT Usha run here? He runs fast. She runs fast. So this is a verb. Okay, the word fast describing here the actual word run. So it is an adverb. It is an adverb. But here there is no action in the sentence. There is no action. Okay, here the word fast. What kind of runner she is? Okay, what kind of a person here? She is here. She is a fast runner. So this is a noun. This is a noun. This is adverb. This is adverb. Okay, understand all of you? Okay, here this is adverb. Okay, in the first sentence, the word fast describing here verb. So it is describing verb, no? That's why it is called adverb. Okay, what is the definition of adverb? Adverb, it describes actions. So here, in the second sentence, the word adjective, this is an adjective. Why? Because it is the word describing a noun here. So noun, okay, the word runner is a noun. So here, what kind of runner? She is a fast runner. So the word fast describing here the noun word is runner. So in this way we have to identify. Okay, both are same word only, but both have different parts of speech. In this way we have to identify now adjective and adverb. Okay, most of the students are confusing what is an adjective or what is an adverb. So very simple. Adjective is a describing noun and pronouns only. Adverb describes action, adjective and another adverb. So understand all of you? Okay, going to second one, adverb of time. Okay, already we discussed adverb of manner. Okay, now it is also adverb of time tells us when the action takes place. Okay, adverb of time tells us when the action takes place. So we can use the question word when. For example, when do you go there? When do you play there? Okay, when do you wake up? We are using the question word when to the adverb of time. So I will give examples here. For example, I woke up early in the morning. Okay, going to second one, adverb of time. Okay, adverb of time tells us when the action takes place. When the action takes place. So here, see, I wrote here some examples. I woke up early in the morning. She will go to Hyderabad tomorrow. He completed his work yesterday. So here some time words are there. Can you guess what are they? In the first sentence, I woke up early. I woke up early in the morning. In the second sentence, I will go to Hyderabad tomorrow. And third sentence, he completed his work yesterday. So the underlined words, see, early, tomorrow, yesterday. Okay, these type of words are called adverb of time. Okay, adverb of time tells us when the action takes place. For example, the first question, when do you wake up early in the morning? Okay, early. The word early tells us time of an adverb. And next one, when will you go to Hyderabad? When will you go to Hyderabad? I will go to Hyderabad tomorrow. What is your answer? Tomorrow. And third sentence, he completed his work yesterday. When did he completed his work? What is the answer? Yesterday. So the words like early, tomorrow, yesterday, now. Okay, these type of words are called adverb of time. Adverb of time. Okay, very simple timing words. For example, when the action takes place. Okay, when will you write your exams? We will write our exams next month. So what is the time word in the sentence? Next month. Next month is the adverb of time. In this way, we have to discuss about adverb of time. Okay. Coming to third one, adverb of place. Okay, adverb of place tells us where the action takes place. Where the action takes place. We can use the question word where. Okay, where the action, it tells us where the action takes place. For example, see here, I wrote some examples. The children play here. I looked everywhere. The boy sat down. So in the first sentence, you can say where the children are playing, or where do the children play? Here. The word here tells us adverb of place. Where do you play? I play here, or I play there. Here, there. In the same way, in the second sentence, I looked everywhere. I looked everywhere. So the word everywhere tells us adverb of place. Where do I look? I looked everywhere. I looked everywhere. So the word everywhere tells us adverb of place. And the third sentence, the boy sat down. The boy sat down. So the word down tells us adverb of place. So what are the adverb of place? Words like here, there, everywhere, down, up. For example, I looked up. Okay, the word up is an adverb of place. I looked down. I sat down. Here, there, everywhere. Okay, these type of words are called adverb of place. Okay, understand all of you? Okay, the last one is adverb of frequency. So what is the meaning of frequency here? Adverb of frequency tells us how often the action takes place. How often the action takes place. So the word here, how often. You know, how often means how many times. Okay, there is a small relation between adverb of time and frequency, but both are different. Okay, in the adverb of time we have to tell exact time, but here how often means how many times. Okay, once again I'm telling, adverb of frequency tells us how often the action take place, means how many times the action take place. For example, I go to church. When do you go to church? How often do you go to church? For example, I go to church every Sunday. For example, have you ever been Taj Mahal? So what is your answer? If you go means you can say exact time, but here you did not go any time. So I never go to Taj Mahal. So words like never, always, every Sunday, annually. Okay, these type of words are called adverb of frequency. Okay, I will write here some examples. You can understand more about adverb of frequency. Here are some examples are there. Okay, what I am telling, adverb of frequency tells us how often the action takes place. How often means how many times the action takes place. For example, see, I never go to movies. I rarely feel so tired. The boy regularly meets his friends. So here in the first sentence, I never go to movies. Okay, here never. Okay, the word never tells us adverb of frequency. How many times you are going to movies? I never go to movies. Okay, the word never, it is an adverb of frequency. Second sentence, she rarely feels so tired. So the word rarely is an adverb. It indicates adverb of frequency. In the second sentence, the boy regularly meets his friends. So the word regularly is an adverb of frequency. Regularly. Okay, how many times the boy meet his friends? Regularly. Okay, how many times she feel so tired? Rarely. So how many times go to movies means never. So the words like never, rarely, regularly, always, often, frequently. Okay, these words are called adverb of frequency. Okay, understand all of you? Okay, these are kinds of adverbs. Once again, I revise all. Okay, first of all, what is an adverb? Adverb is a word, tells more about actions, adjective, and another adverb. Okay, I gave some examples like. Okay, now kinds of adverbs. How many kinds of adverbs are there? Mainly, there are 4 kinds of adverbs. What are they? Adverb of manner, adverb of time, adverb of place, and adverb of frequency. Okay, this is about adverbs, kinds of adverbs. Okay, thank you.
నేను మాత్రం మా ఇద్దరు పిల్లల్ని క్వాలిటీ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ అందించే ఉల్లంపర్రు మాంటిసోరీ స్కూల్లో మాత్రమే చదివిస్తాను. ఇలా అన్నీ ఉన్న చోట మన పిల్లల్ని చదివిస్తేనే వాళ్ళకి మంచి భవిష్యత్తు ఉంటుంది.
నాకు అన్ని నెంబర్ 1 కావాలి. అందుకే నా పెద్ద మనవరాల్ని అన్ని వసతులతో క్వాలిటీ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ అందిస్తున్న స్కూల్లోనే జాయిన్ చేశాను.
ఏ స్కూల్ సార్ అది?
ఉల్లంపర్రు మాంటిసరీ స్కూల్. క్వాలిటీ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ లో నెంబర్ 1, కల్చరల్ యాక్టివిటీస్ లో నెంబర్ 1, స్పోర్ట్స్ లో నెంబర్ 1, క్యాంపస్ లో నెంబర్ 1.
అది
మీ పిల్లల బంగారు భవిష్యత్తుకు మాది బాధ్యత.